Hello, and welcome to the BMC Quick Course series. My name is Greg Tubin. I'm an architect for the BMC mainframe middleware products. In this session, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix problems with a page set that is filling up. The first step is to see which page sets are nearing capacity. From the easy MQS menu, click on MVS Only Resources, then Page Sets to access the PS view. You can also enter PS on the command line at any time to review page set information. Look at the values in the free % column. Page set 0 is used for queue manager definitions. We can see that this page set has very high usage, so we will investigate why it is filling up quickly. We will click the Data Pages field on the same row as page set 0 to get detailed usage information. We can see that someone has mistakenly created a queue on page set 0. We can delete the queue and its messages, move the queue and its messages, or delete the messages and then move the queue. First, we will see how to delete the queue and all the messages in the queue. Click the object name of the queue, target.q2 in this example. This will take us to the local queue detail view, LQD, for target Q2. Type DEP, which means delete purge, to purge the queue's messages and delete the queue. Next, we will see how to move the queue to another page set. We will start from the PSU view. From any command line, type PSU 0 to access the PSU view. 0 indicates we want to see all the queues, even those with no messages. By default, the PSU view shows only the queues that have messages on them. So if you purge the messages from a queue, that queue will not be displayed in the PSU view. That is why we entered PSU 0. You can move the queue more quickly if you delete the messages before moving the queue. You can move the queue with or without its messages. To delete its messages, type CLR in the line command field for the mqclear command. This is more efficient, but only works if the queue is not in use. Alternately, use PUR for purge in the command field beside the queue name. This will destructively get each message from the queue. We will use CLR because we know the queue is not in use. Notice that there's no messages on target.q2 after the clear completed. Type over the queue's STC name with the name of the STC where you want the queue to be moved. If the queue contains messages, the messages are moved with the queue. In this example, the queue has non-persistent messages, so we will move it to page set 4 in storage class default. Type default for the STC name and press enter. Here we see the moved queue. Target.q2 is now in default STC on page set 4. Thank you for your time. For more information on any BMC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown here.